Mm-hmm. Hey, Roar, what are you doing?
Painting.
What are you painting?
I'm painting some grass that is red.
So you've made a big fill-in right at the start.
I did this under part and then this part.
Uh-huh. What color comes next?
Purple. Now
What is that?
this is gonna be a birdie.
Okay.
This birdie is gonna be at the really bottom. It's trying to find the worms.
Uh-huh. Can you give it some wings?
This is a wing, and here's the end.
Okay.
This is a one wing, and this is the other.
Okay. That looks really good.
Now I'll do it this way. Oh, a peak comes next. This is a pretty light peak.
Yeah, it is. Our new paints. What is that you're drawing?
This is a mommy birdie, not a
Okay.
daddy.
Okay.
It's not a daddy.
It's a mommy. Okay.
This purple bird is a mommy, not a daddy. Okay.
And what's that one?
This is a baby
Okay.
flying close to its mama.
Okay.
It's like, Mama, come right by me. I found a worm right here.
Is that the worm?
Yeah, but this is an earthworm.
Okay.
What is an earthworm?
An earthworm is a worm that lives in the ground.
Cool.
And then a lot of birds eat those earthworms. What's that?
This is the mommy earthworm.
The mommy earthworm.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to make the daddy earthworm.
Ooh, big one.
Now we're going to make the daddy earthworm way up here.
Boy, that's a big one.
And that's an earthworm.
It's a what?
It's an earthworm.
Okay.
And that earthworm is the mommy. This earthworm is the daddy, the mommy, the baby.
Whoa!
Isn't that a cool
It
family?
is. Uh-huh.
And then I'm going to draw the daddy bird.
Okay.
What color did I use for the daddy bird? Okay.
For the daddy bird, I don't know. Maybe purple. I think daddies like purple, I've heard.
I'll draw first wing. I'll draw wing. And here's the end.
So 2 wings. Good. What else do you need for the bird?
And a beak.
Good.
Here's the beak. Here's the one bud.
What's that?
These are the 2 wings.
What is that?
This is the daddy birdie.
Okay.
Here's the baby. And here's the mommy.
Wow. So what are the parts of the daddy birdie? Can you point that out?
These are the 2 wings. This is a round beak. These are 2 eyes. This is one flat worm in its mouth. These are 2 eyes, and this is 2 wings. This is its head, and this is its trip.
Okay.
And this is its beak right there.
Okay. That's really cool.
Yes. This one is all done.
Wait. No, we're not done yet. We got to fill in that.
I want this one.
You want to do another one?
Let's
Well, I
just
think we
put-
need some other creatures.
No. Let's just do one little dot. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that really completes the composition right there. Do you want to fill it in a little bit more?
No, I don't want to.
Okay, we're done. Can you say goodbye? I'm filming you doing this
Goodbye,
painting.
Goodbye.